Good morning, everyone. This morning's message is for who it is for. On your screen, it reads, the in between times. One would ask, what do you mean by the in between times? You see, my friends, in your journey of life and transition, there will be a thing called the in between times of transition. You may feel lost, confused, angry, unseen, or even empty at times. But guess what? Don't confuse these times of transition as a forever state of being or being broken of any sort. You are just simply breaking away from what was and creating space to welcome what will be. Now, during these in-between times, it is common for us to experience a range of emotions such as feeling lost, confused, or unseen. These transitionary moments can be challenging and may evoke feelings of anger, emptiness, or uncertainty as we navigate the space between what was and what will be. So it is important not to mistake these transitional phases as a permanent state of being or as a sign of brokenness. Instead, view them as essential moments of growth and evolution, where you are shedding old patterns, beliefs, or situations to make way for new beginnings and opportunities. So, in these moments, my friends, in these moments of discomfort and uncertainty, you are breaking away from the familiar to create space for transition and growth. So, embracing the discomfort of transition as a natural part of the journey can lead to profound personal development and self discovery. By allowing yourself to sit in the discomfort, you create room for new possibilities, insight, and growth to emerge. So these transitional periods, my friends, serves as a bridge between chapters in your life, offering a chance to redefine yourself, your goals, and your path forward. So in closing, my friends, remember, as you break away from the old and welcome the new, you are laying the foundation for a brighter, more authentic future filled with endless possibilities and growth. Yeah, man. A word to the wise.